Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use Miro AI on your board. So there's a few ways how to go about using this when you're on your board. Once you're on your board, if you look towards the left hand side, you will see, for example, Sidekick. This is basically going to pop up the AI box and you can basically start using the AI from here. So you can go ahead and you can knowledge, you can do images, you can do all of the good stuff just like any other AI, even to get tables and so forth. Alternatively, you can go ahead and you can use the AI. Let's say you have a text box, for example. I'm going to put my text box here. And let's say I want to go ahead and use the AI for whatever reason. I can go ahead and I can just type something. So let's say I want to type image, for example. Let's say I want to type that word image. Then you can see right away that it pops up the AI and I can basically use the AI to do whatever it is with it. So here you can see Miro AI, I can click on it. And as you can see, I can do so many things with to create from the AI using the image, right? So I can change the tone, I can make it friendly. So let's say I wanted to make this friendly. I can say friendly and it would do whatever it is with that. As you can see, it's kind of loading, and here you can see it basically changes my text to make it something more hello, here's an image, for example. Right? And so you can easily use the power of AI within Miro, but you first have to have some kind of content there, or if you just want to start from scratch with the AI, you can use a sidekick and you can have the AI basically right here that you can start working with. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can use Miro AI on your boards in Miro.